Today we are making chicken chowmein. You can also call this chicken spaghetti. We use spaghetti, but you can use noodles as well. That is up to you. Before this recipe starts, please subscribe to Cooking and Style. This is a very tasty recipe that everyone in your family will love. Now let's start the recipe. First, chop a few vegetables very nicely. We have chopped the vegetables. Now we have to make a sauce. After adding in the ingredients, mix it properly. After mixing, keep aside. Now to 600 grams of chicken, add 1 teaspoon of black pepper, soy sauce 2 tablespoons, vinegar 1 tablespoon, plain flour 1 tablespoon. Salt ½ teaspoon. After this, mix it well. Now time to boil spaghetti. You can use noodles instead of spaghetti, that is up to you. Add the spaghetti. Boil it. After boiling the spaghetti, strain it with cold water. Keep aside. Now time to cook the chicken. Add oil into the pan. Now add the marinated chicken you made earlier. Cook it. Now add the ginger garlic paste. Mix it well and cook it. Add the chopped carrots. Mix and cook for 5 minutes. Now add the peppers. Mix it and cook it for 3 minutes. Now add green chopped onion. After this, add the boiled spaghetti. Mix it well. Now add the sauce that we made earlier. And cook it for 3 minutes. Mix it as well. Alhamdulillah, the chicken chow mein is ready. Dish out this delicious recipe and serve it to your friends and family. What you could also do is share this video with your friends and family. Please like this video and hit the bell icon for notifications for when we upload a new video. If you have not subscribed to our channel Cooking and Style, please subscribe. This was a very tasty recipe. Allah Hafiz, thank you for watching this video.